What is the rate of growth? The rate of growth at which the running time increases as a function of input is called rate of growth. Let us assume that we go to a shop to buy a car and bicycle. If your friend sees you there and asks what you are buying, then in general you say buying a car. This is because the cost of the car is higher than the bicycle. So the cost of the car is high compared to the cost of bicycle, approximating the cost of the bicycle to the cost of the car. So the total cost, the car price would be like $40,000, and the price of bicycle is $100. So the total cost for you and for your friend or whatever, it would be the total cost equal to the price of the car. Okay? So we neglect the price of bicycle. Similarly, in the computer engineering or the computer science, for this mentioning or the mentioned example, we can represent the cost of a car and the cost of bicycle in terms of function. And for a given function, ignore the low order terms that we are relatively insignificant for large value of input size n. So consider n is n to power 4 plus 100n squared plus 4 is approximately equal to n to power 4. As an example, in this case, n to power 4 and n squared and n to power 0 are the individual costs of some function and approximate to n to power 4 since n to power 4 is the highest rate of growth. Okay? So, let's see the rate of growth in algorithms. In the same example of the car and the bicycle, we have the big O notation that we are going to learn in the next video. And these are the examples of algorithms. So, we are going to go deeply in the next videos for the big O notation, and we take an example about them. But till now, I need from you to understand that the highest power in the function would be considered as it's the biggest rate of growth. Okay? So, we will start from O to 1. Okay? It is the 1. This is pushing or popping or in queue or deck accessing an array element. It will cost us 1. Okay? Log of n in binary search, O of n linear search, and n log n heap sort, quick sort, merge sort. N square, selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, n to power 3, matrix multiplication, and 2 to power n towers of Hanoi. Don't worry, we will clarify everything in the next video. So, I need from you to understand the rate of growth in this way. So we take the highest degree in the